What up, Fire Flame gang? It's your boy Blue Flame. Hit subscribe for my trap if you are part of my team. You already know. Yo, I just got this kitten, right? And the kitten from mail. I just went to the store to grab him some little toys and stuff. It's actually working. Look at it. He got some catnip in it. Y'all see him? You mean to tell me all I had to do was get you some weed and you been alright? Yo, this whole time he been crying, 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 bro. Like, all night just crying. Don't matter how I'm looking right now. I'm just trying to get him to be quiet. That's what I was trying to do. The whole time, look at him. This man is standing up. The whole time. All I had to do was get him high. Who would have ever thought of it? That's crazy, ain't it? Man, y'all, I wish I'd have recorded how he just would not stop crying. Matter of fact, I got some footage. I'm gonna upload it. But if you get a new animal, if you get a new kitten or a cat, get you some toys with some catnip in it, get shut up. That's amazing. New content coming soon. This wasn't nothing but just a little rant. Cause I was trying to figure out how to shut him up all last night. Like, what the? You know I'm trying to sleep right now, bro. Look at him. Put it in the water, bro. I guess he just needed to be active and smoke something. I don't know. Catnip helps though. So I got him a lot of nice little toys and stuff, and we're gonna see how night number 2 goes, and hopefully he's good. Hopefully he good. Hopefully he good for the rest of the night, cause I won't have to kick him out. I just got him, so I think I'm gonna name him Sonic. I don't know. I ain't even named him yet, cause I was gonna give him back. I ain't got time to play with him. But I guess he was just bored or something. I don't know. I feel better. I can relax my mind a little bit. He ain't crying all night. I guess he was just bored. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I told you, new content coming very soon. Got to figure some stuff out. And appreciate you for tuning into this video. Until the next time, I'm out.